What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to talk about making perfect square trinomial. This is the second part. In the previous video I explained that we have a plus b to the power of 2, that will be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And the first example I have is x squared minus 9x. We want to make it a perfect square trinomial. Can have x squared minus 9x. That's the coefficient of x. We need to divide it by 2. Then we squared that. Negative 9 to the power of 2 is 81. Positive 81. And 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So basically we need to have x squared minus 9x plus 81 over 4 to be x minus 9 over 2 to the power of 2. So that's the perfect square trinomial. Next example is y squared plus 1 over 2y. We need to see what term we can add to make it perfect square. So we have y squared plus 1 over 2y. So 1 over 2 we need to divide it by 2. 1 over 2, when you divide it by 2, that will be 1 over 4. Then we make it square, it's going to be 1 over 16. So if we have y squared plus 1 over 2y plus 1 over 16, we can say that is y plus 1 over 4 to the power of 2. So in these examples, since we don't have this term, since we don't have this last term, in order to make it equal to this one, we need to subtract 81 over 4. Or here, we need to subtract 1 over 16 from here to make it the same as this guy. But here in this example, it's asking to make it a perfect square. Next example. X squared plus 13x. Answer: 13 divided by 2 to the power of 2 is going to be 169. 13 squared divided by 2 squared is 4. So if you have x squared plus 13x plus 169 divided by 4, we can say we have perfect square trinomial, which is x plus 13 divided by 2 to the power of 2. And the next example, x squared plus 1 over 4x. That will be 1 over 4 divided by 2. That will be 1 over 8. 1 over 8 to the power of 2 will be 1 over 64. So if we add 1 over 64, we have it as perfect square. So we have 1 over 8 to the power of 2 minus 1 over 64 if we want to make it like that. But since in this example wants us to have it as perfect square, we just write x plus 1 over 8 to the power of 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you found it useful, and please subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding different topics in math and chemistry. Thank you and have a great day.